This is the New York College of Technology in Brooklyn, New York. We painted the NCAA College of Regulation basketball game lines for the court for both basketball hoop. We utilize a brown paint for all the lines in the court and blue color for the keys. The floor was replaced with a new floating wood floor. This is a new system that reduces noises. Also, it has more of a bouncy cushion system below. We installed the university logo right in the center of the court in a blue and yellow color. This logo required many passes to create the final design. This is the latest sports court built by Gapsy in Brooklyn, New York.